Hello?
Thank you for calling Amnesty International. This call may be recorded. My name is Eric. How may I help you?
Yes, good afternoon, good evening, Eric. My name is Robert Kabuye, USA. I live in Massachusetts.
Mr. Kabuye.
Yes, I live in Massachusetts. I'm from Uganda. I'm an activist. I have an online radio. I'm on opposition. My party is NUP, National Unit Platform in Uganda. I have a brother in Turkey. He do the same thing I do online, exposing the dictator government in Uganda. He was kidnapped last Tuesday. So his name is Fred Lumbuye Kajjubi, and my government came out and they said they kidnapped him, and after we put too much pressure, they said they don't have him. The Turkey government said they don't have him. So how can we get help from your organization?
Thank you so much for calling that in, Mr. Kabuye. So what I would have to do is refer you to an email, okay, where you promptly and urgently need to send an email out to our research team. Are you ready to write an email down?
Yes, if you can spell it slow by slow, I'm ready to write it so I don't do a mistake.
So it is report, R-E-P-O-R-T.
Okay, I got that. At, okay.
A-I.
Okay.
USA.
Okay. .com?
.org.
.org. Okay. So that's the email we have to send our complaint in and everything.
That is correct.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr.
What's your name again?
My name is Eric.
Eric, thank you very much.
You are welcome. Good day.
Okay, bye-bye.